To make things work in the world today, we rely on technology in many ways, designing and building and making things go. Technologists are folks who run the show. Talking about technology. Technology.
Technology.
Technology.
Technology.
Technology.
Technology.
I look around and see my home is running smoothly. Clocks and toasters, lots of gadgets all around me. My music player and a blender to make smoothies. Lights are on so I can see. We're talking about technology. Phones and internet are very helpful systems. Electricity and water, we all use them. Roads and transit and handy transportation. The word out on the street is we're talking about technology. Technology.
Technology.
Technology.
Technology.
Technology.
Technology.
Wow, what an awesome song!
I totally agree with you.
National Technology Day is celebrated every year on 11th May to highlight the achievements of scientists and engineers in the field of science and technology. Moreover, it also commemorates the Pokhran tests, series of 5 nuclear bomb test explosions conducted by India at the Indian Army's Pokhran test range in May 1998. It started on 11th May 1998 and ended on 13th May 1998.
Very true. Indeed, responsible consumption and production of technology is very important in every aspect of life. Through a play, we are going to highlight the significance of proper consumption and production of technology in everyday life.
Mom! Mom! My phone is hanging a lot. It's getting difficult to type any text on it. Can I use your phone to send a message to the tutor?
Yes, sure, dear. I think it's better for us to buy you a new phone. What do you think?
Yes, Mom. I think the same.
Ria's mother orders a new mobile phone for her.
Ria, come downstairs. I've got something for you, honey.
Welcome, Mom.
Ria opens the packaging.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you so much. You are the best mom in the world.
It's okay, dear. Now tell me, what are you going to do with your old phone?
I'm going to throw it in the trash, of course.
No, dear. That's not the proper usage of technology. See, honey, your phone still works. It can be switched on and off. We got it repaired and now it works just fine. I want you to give your phone to someone who really needs it.
Ria thinks a little and goes to James' house. She remembers James' domestic help's daughter, Mia.
Hello, James. How do you do?
I am good. What about you?
I am good too.
Ria enters the house and sits on the sofa.
Hello, Riyadi.
Hello, Jessica. I hope you're doing great.
Yes, I'm doing great.
I wanted to give my own phone to Mia.
Oh, good deed, Ria. I will call Mia. She's in back here.
Thanks, James.
Mia enters the living room.
Hello, Ria Didi. Hi, Mia. Thanks for coming. I just wanted to give my old phone. It is fully operational and works nicely. Earlier it had some glitches, but now, as we have got it repaired, would you like to use it for our online classes?
Thank you so much, Ria Didi. I really wanted a phone as my mom used to go for work and she had to take phone with her. Once again, thank you so much.
Thanks, dear.
Ria departs. She feels proud for her good deed. Her mother feels good to offer teaching her daughter to reuse rather than just adding them to trash, and also to follow the proper consumption of technology.
A very famous quote is said by our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi. I dream of a digital India where knowledge is strength and empowers the people.
Kelvin Kelly also quoted that Humans are the reproductive organs of technology.
Now let us have a look how the other people make responsible production of technology in their everyday life.
Ananya was unwell, so she took an appointment at the doctor for Monday. As she was not going to attend the school, so she asked Jia to return Manvi's notebook.
Jia reached the FO station via metro, but she couldn't find Manvi's residence.
So she called up Ananya for the directions.
Jia on the call to her sister Ananya.
Have you reached to Manvi's place?
Not yet. I have reached the airport station, but I am unable to find Manvi's residence.
Not worry. I will send you her live location for her residence. Thanks to Google Map. Now finding any location is such an easy task to do.
Thank you. Bye. Ramya thought of baking a cake for her mother.
Hey Natali, do you have any idea how to make buttercream cake?
Though I do not know. However, we can see a good tutorial for the same on YouTube to bake a yummy cake for mommy.
Yes, indeed. Good idea. Technology has proved to a boon in every aspect of our everyday life. The only thing we need to be assured of is its responsible consumption and production to let it be a boon for us.
Mother, would you please bring me a glass of water? I'm in a class.
Sure, Aisha.
Mother arrives and sees Asha watching a movie on YouTube during her online class.
Dear Asha, this is not the correct way of attending online school. The teacher is teaching you. You should be studying sincerely. This is a bad consumption of technology. While doing this, you are not only cheating the teacher, but also cheating yourself. YouTube is a platform for connecting many people and gathering information on various aspects of learning. However, using it during online school to watch a movie is unethical and irresponsible consumption of technology, my dear.
Jia used Google Maps to find the exact location of Manvi's home and reaches her residence and returns her book.
Furthermore, it also helped Ramya in preparing buttercream cake for her mother.
Yes, but we also saw that irresponsible consumption of technology during online schooling by Isha at times makes technology turn into a curse for us. Hence, we should always engage ourselves in responsible production and consumption of technology to make it a boon for us every time.
Not only location but many other things produced based on technology helps us in many ways.
Very true, but today many people use technology for wrong purposes, which is unethical and incorrect way to use technology.
Yes, I agree. So, it is in our hand that we use the technology as boon or bane. Thank you.